Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mo again. So this time, what we're going to be looking into is how to configure DNS so we can resolve by names. Check this out. Remember, it failed from one to another. Well, why? Let's take a look. Let's go back to Udemy. Let me open my DNS server. And if I expand, I only see records about Udemy. I don't see anything about Coursera. And if I go to Coursera, if I go to Tools and I open DNS, I don't see anything about Udemy. I only see Coursera. What I could do to resolve domain names from one forest to another is to create something called a forwarder. Now, what is a forwarder? We're going to see that more when we cover DNS, but for now, I can tell you this, a conditional forwarder, which means I'm going to send a request to a DNS server that has information about the domain name. For example, if I'm on Udemy, who has information about Coursera? This system over here, and what is the IP address? It's 200.1. So if I right-click conditional forwarder, I'm going to forward the request to another DNS server that knows about Coursera. And at the top over here, I'm going to go ahead with the DNS domain name, which is Coursera, right? Dot local. And right here is the IP address, which is 200.1. 200.1 and press enter. Even though it gives me an error message, that's fine. I'll come back to it later. Then OK. And if I come down to Coursera, I need to create a forwarder to forward it to Udemy. So a new conditional forwarder, and I'm going to put Udemy dot local, and the IP address is 100.1, right? And there you go. Then I'm going to click OK. Now, if I restart the service over here, all tasks and restart, and same thing on this side, all tasks and restart. I go back over here, Coursera, I could see it. What if I go to the properties, edit? Is it resolving? Yes, it is. I got a green check. Okay, I just had to refresh it, folks. You see that? And I go to Udemy, properties, edit. Yes, I could. Okay, well, can I test connectivity from the command prompt using what? Fully qualified domain name. Let's try. Oh, there you go. You see that? Now you could reach fully qualified. How about this side over here? Can I reach fully qualified because of that conditional forwarder? Yes, you can, and it knows the number. Perfect. I finished my next step. After routing, I have to configure DNS. Okay, how about this? Let me take a look and look at Server Manager. Go to Tools, Active Directory users and computers, and try connect to my other company that I want to create a trust with, but let me do it without a trust, right? I mean, I'm not going to see it in the list. Okay, I'm going to put Udemy dot local and click OK. It says, look, unknown username or bad password. You see, it's different than the previous error message. This means there's no trust. I'm going to go to Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers, and right click and change domain and go ahead and put what over here. If I browse, I don't see Coursera, so I'm going to put it in manually. Coursera.local and click OK. Now it says unknown username or bad password. In other words, that means there is no trust established between them. That's my next step. Okay. I just wanted to do DNS with you guys over here after we did routing. So in our next lecture, what we're going to be configuring is the actual trust between both organizations is going to be more and more fun. So we'll see you folks soon. All right, for now, everybody. Bye.